Today on Tech and Finance, we are going to talk about how to invest with your MTN Momo app on just your phone. So it's easy. You just need to be a subscriber or user on the MTN network. So you must just get an MTN SIM in your phone, and then you visit your app store. If you are an Android user, you visit your Google Play Store. But then if you are an iPhone user, you just go to your app store. Okay, so when you visit your app store, you just need to search for MTN Momo app, and then you search for it. After searching, you look for the one with this MTN Momo. That's the first one you can see here, with this green and yellow icons. And so I've already downloaded it, so you can download it, and then I will open it because I've already downloaded it. So I open it. It loads like this. It will request for your PIN, that is your mobile money PIN. And so you just enter your mobile money PIN, and then you enter. It will send you a 4-digit PIN code that you enter to verify that it is you. And so now you are on the MTN Momo platform, where you can perform the transactions, allow cash out transactions, top up any. But today we are not going to do any transaction. We are just going to learn about the Treasury Bill. So a lot of people have heard about Treasury Bill, and so I would just want to introduce you to the Treasury Bill on the MTN Momo app. Sometimes if you want to get the Treasury Bill, you have to go to the banks, maybe due to queue and all that, you feel frustrated and all that. But here you are sitting at the comfort of your home, and then you just enter into the Momo platform. You just go to services, go to investment, and then you go to Treasury Bill. And so this is the Treasury Bill. It says that welcome, and then the Treasury Bill on the MTN Momo platform is sponsored by EcoBank T-Bill for all. So when you are entering into this Treasury Bill, you know that it is connected to EcoBank T-Bill for all. And so if you want to know about the amount of money or the amount of profit or the interest that you are going to make if you deposit an amount, or let's say the principal that you put into the Treasury Bill, you have the interest calculator, we have the apply, we have the withdrawal, we have the more options. So you can just go to the interest calculator, and then they have two tenures, which is the Treasury Bill tenures. We have the 91 days and we have the 182 days. So you can choose any one of them as you want. So let's take for the 91 days. I love the 3 months, the 91 days, and then I choose, maybe I just have only 2,000 Ghana cedis. I have 2,000 Ghana cedis and I want to use that for my Treasury Bill, and so I put 2,000 cedis there, and then I proceed. And then it tells me your transaction was successful. An application of 2,000 for 91 days at 13.32% yield a face value of 2,066.6. This is an indicative rate only. Terms and conditions apply. So looking at this, the profit percentage that they are giving to you is 13.32%. And so with your principal being 2,000 cedis for the 91 days throughout, you are going to just make 66.6 Ghana cedis for the 3 months on your 2,000 Ghana cedis in the Treasury Bill on the MTN mobile money app. And so it's good to apply. So if you want to apply, you just click on the apply section and you choose the tenor as you want, the 91 days or the 182 days as you want, and then you just apply for it. And so it depends on the amount of money that you have that you want to apply for this Treasury Bill. And so you have to understand that the amount of money you carry determines the interest you get in the Treasury Bill. And so if you have maybe a little money, your interest might be little, but then I believe in small things. You want to grow financially, you have to sacrifice, if you want to input 2,000, 5,000, any amount. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stanlio Studios. Like, share, and click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a YouTube video